So we have a major situation on our hands. It's pouring rain, and as you can see, we have the floor to the addition done. Well, unfortunately, it is leaking in through the house and spreading through the floor. I have the shop vac out. I'm vacuuming it. It's coming in as quick as I'm vacuuming it up, unfortunately. Jeremy ran to town to get a whole bunch of sandbags. He's going to feel like he's on a deployment with the military again, and put sandbags all, do not put that in your mouth, all across here. Sam's running around in the nude because it's really hot today. She's just got her underwear on. She thinks that she keeps asking me if it's flooding. I said yes, so she's, you know, we're making it a fun thing for her though. So she's playing in the water, which I wish she wouldn't, but it's all just pouring in. Like, there's so much water outside on the deck. Stop it, honey, don't pull at that. Yeah, it's pouring in here. It's pouring in the bathroom. Bring in here. Chaos in here. We got this blocked off. All under the tub, I'm sure, is a complete mess. I've got a whole bunch of stuff thrown in the bathtub to get out of the way. And I just have to keep vacuuming and emptying the wet vac. We've got the coffee table, which was by the door, shoved over, and everything put on top of the table here. We're just trying to lift everything up off the ground and praying to the good Lord that the rain slows down until Jeremy gets here with the sandbags, and that will work and we don't continue to have this huge mess all night on our hands, because it's raining really good out there. So we got some sandbags put along here. Jeremy isn't feeling good. He has a lung infection and an infection in his pouch, J-pouch, which is what the surgeons created inside of him when he lost his colon. It took 3 surgeries to create that, but he's got it created and working, and so he has no colon, but he can get like ulcerative colitis flares still, and infections in the J-pouch, which is what they call it. So he is feeling awful. I'm doing the best I can, helping him, cleaning up all this water, helped him put all these here because he could hardly lift them. And then we're going to take this really big tarp we had, and we are going to staple it up on the top of the house and drop it down over the cracks there, and then put these cement blocks on the bottom here to keep it from blowing away. So it does seem to be helping the sandbags already, because I was continuously vacuuming for the last half an hour non-stop. It was just pouring in, but the sandbags are really, really helping. We're also going to get a fire going. It's already like really hot out, but we really need a fire to start drying the floor, so we'll just open all the windows and doors and get a hot fire cranked in there to try and dry up the floor. So yeah, it's turned into a real fun Monday. No, Tuesday. I don't know what day it is. Anyway, not the best day. That's for sure. Dogs are over there whining. Have to let them out in a minute. I just needed them out of the way. So here's the tarping job. I mean, it's better than nothing. It'll work for now. What a mess. What a mess. What a night. It's so dark in there now. I'll show you. Hold on. Got the generator going because I've been vacuuming the mess. See how dark it is in here?
Now light a fire to get some of this dampness out.
Yeah, we'll have to open all the windows because it'll be so hot. Anyway.
Airflow and fire.
We're going to get this.
Feels like a different place.
So we've got a fire going. I got my towels hanging up here that were on the floor in the bathroom, blocking the water from coming in further. So they'll be there for the night, and it's dark in here, as you can see. Jeremy and Sam are in the back bedroom there watching a movie. The door's closed because they're not wet in there and we don't feel like dying of heat in the night. So, yeah, fire's going. Rain has stopped pouring in the house. Thank goodness. Thank the good Lord. Maybe a better lighting over here. Everything's just a mess for the night. Got the vacuum left in here just in case we end up needing it. The clothes hanging there, or I mean the towels hanging there, and we're probably just going to watch a movie and call it a night.